delicious and interesting dinner or breakfast recipe which I am going to share with you, because my daughter really hard to select from market, but it's really green, so and it is ripe and good for health also. So I choose this one because I have one avocado in my fridge right now. So I'm using this into a rice format, and this is our mayo which I'm going to use, which I made it at home with the cream and some mustard seeds powder and salt, paprika and oil and everything. So I already made it and keep it in my fridge before. So I'm going to use it for making this noodles and some bread and fresh onion. There's beans, long beans I have, and these capsicums, and a few tomato cubes, because I don't like, my daughter don't like tomato as much, and so I am using this. And on behalf of tomato, you can use the paste of tomatoes if you have. I also have, and I'm going to use it, but after tossing my, like after some roast or softness of my vegetables, I will use the tomato paste also, and some cabbage. Now I'm going to roast it for a while. So guys, you can see it's a bit slightly toasted, and all the vegetables have their own beautiful color, and still they are not fully cooked, but they cooked for noodles, because we like the taste which we have. We can feel the crunch of vegetables and mix in it some salt and some black pepper, and some, if you like the red pepper, red chili, then you can spread it, sprinkle it, some red chili, and toss again last time. You can add some tomato ketchup for increasing the flavor or taste of tomatoes. So I'm going to add in it. How beautiful flavor it's pop up out into these cubes that I'm putting in it. And this mayo which I made at home earlier, and I freezed it for other stuff. I'm using this, and great green color. It's coming out very nicely, and its taste is very good, and the kids really love. Kids like it.